Hi, I'm Sonja and I am so excited because I have my spring FabFitFun box and I'm really excited to open this up and show you everything because I had a total mishap with my winter box and I was in the process of moving from Arizona to Massachusetts and it came late and then we were moving and I couldn't review it, and then when I finally did, the file got corrupted, so I was never able to post that winter box. So it's really exciting to be able to share this spring box with you. So let's dive into this. Okay, so for anybody who is new to FabFitFun, or if you're not new to it but you're just wondering how it works and you just want some information, it is a subscription box that comes comes quarterly. So every quarter you get a spring, summer, fall, and a winter box. So you can get the annual box or the annual subscription. That's you prepay for 4 boxes, which is what I did. You save $20, which makes it end up being $49.99 per box. But with that, you get up to 8 products. You get to customize your entire box, meaning that you get to pick out all the products that go in your box. That's important for me because I want all products that are vegan and cruelty free. So since I'm able to customize my whole box, I'm able to look and make sure that I get products that are all vegan and cruelty free. You also get early access to customize, so earlier than everybody else. So that's also really fun because some of the items do run out. So you get to get on there, pick out what you want before the items run out. So, and you get earlier shipping too. So that's always fun. Or you can pay for the seasonal box, and that's what I actually did when I first started getting FabFitFun. It ends up being $54.99 a box. So you pay every you pay every quarter $54.99, and with that you still get the same up to 8 products. You get to customize 4 of those. So if you pay for a whole year in advance, you get to customize 8 of them for every box. If you just pay every quarter, you get to customize 4 of them, and then 4 of them are surprise, which that's still fun. And like I said, that's what I did in the beginning. But what really leaned me towards paying for the whole entire year was the fact that I wanted to be able to make sure I picked out vegan and cruelty-free products. And then you can cancel at any time. So they're really fun. I really look forward to getting them, and my past couple boxes I've gotten some really great things, and maybe that's because I pick it all out. I don't know, but I like it. So the prices for the boxes did just go up. So I know that some people were kind of not too excited that the prices went up, but the prices are going up for everything everywhere. And the price that it went up to isn't all that much, so I'm okay with it. All right, so let's get into this box and see what's inside. Let me see if I can hold it up so you can see what it looks like when you open it up. So it has a cute little picture up there, and this is what it looks like on the inside. So it has just a little magazine in here that tells you about some of the products. And there's always little things like, here's some stickers and a little thing that I could pass this along to a friend so they get a little discount, and like some free meals with HelloFresh, and I don't know, some random things in here. And I will post on the screen what everything is and what the value of it is. And in the end, I'll show you what the total value of my box was compared to the price I paid for it, so we can see, you know, if it's worth it. So let's get in here and see what we have. The first thing is this spoon rest. And I really wanted a second spoon rest. I never feel like I have enough in the kitchen, so let me open it up and I will show you. It's nothing fancy, but it's just a little spoon rest. Very cute. And it's just nice colors that would match any kitchen. So yay, I love this. I'm gonna wash it and put that right in my kitchen. And then the next thing I picked up is just a small one, and this is the Winky Lux lip oil. Oh, I am so into lip oils right now. I just really love them. Let me take off my lipstick. Oh, it's so cute. Look, I don't know if you can see. Has like little like gold stars inside of it. It's really cute. Oh, it smells like sugar cookies. It smells really good. Oh, and that feels good. I really love this. Oh, it smells so good. Like, seriously, this is the cutest thing. Like, this is really cute, and it smells good. It feels good. That's a winner for sure. So far, 2 for 2. Both of my children recently got their ears pierced, and so I probably got this thinking for one of them it's Kate Spade earrings, and they're gorgeous. They're really pretty. They're just really pretty. My kids will be really happy. I don't know which one I'm gonna give that to though. I don't know why I didn't get 2 sets of earrings. I should have. I didn't think that through. Okay, so that's a good one. And then next, oh, Earth Harbor. I love Earth Harbor. I get a lot of Earth Harbor products from my Kinder subscription box. I love Earth Harbor, and this is called Glow Juice. It's a refining enzyme mask with red seaweed and fruit enzymes, and I'm sure it's gonna be amazing. Oh, look how pretty it is. It is so pretty. Okay. It says it's for all skin types, and of course it's plant-based, holistic, vegan, sustainable. It's just like plastic negative, no gluten added, small batch made. This is a woman-owned business. I seriously love this company, and like I said, I've gotten products from Earth Harbor in my Kinder subscription box. I love the Kinder subscription box, and I've gone in and bought Earth Harbor products separately through Kinder Beauty because they're just so good. Oh, it smells really, I'm like giving it to you to smell. Here, smell this. Oh, it smells so good. It's nice and like soft and silky, kind of jelly, but it smells so nice. Oh, I love that. Oh, I'm so excited for that. Really excited. Okay, next it says all over this box, vegan, vegan, vegan. I can read that even without my glasses on. Okay, so this is London Town Cuticle Cream, and it like is not mistakably vegan. And I love it that FabFitFun has a lot of vegan options. Like for, you know, you get to pick what items you want, and there's 8 items that you can pick from that you can customize, and I find a vegan option in every single one of them. Since I started getting just looking only for vegan products, I've been able to find it in every single one of them. Okay, so you're supposed to push the button on the bottom of the pen to extract the cuticle cream. Apply a small amount to cuticles, massaging in a circular motion. May be used on bare nails or over polish. So it's like this little plastic end thing. It's really, there's like a little tip back here. So let's like, I'm not getting anything out of this. Oh, there. Oh, jeez. It finally came. You have to press the back of the pen quite a few times to get it to come out. But then you get it, it's definitely a cream. And then you just apply it on your cuticles. I burnt my thumb here today on my curling iron. And then you just rub on there, everywhere around there. It doesn't smell like anything. So once you get it working, that's nice. I'm gonna put this by my bed, so when I lay in bed and watch TV, I can put some on my cuticles. So that's cute. Right, so we have a box here, and inside here are sunglasses. They're nice little sparkly, and they're like acrylic, so they won't break. You can use them outside. I just thought they were cute, and there's a set of 4 of them. So I don't know if you can see them well. Can you see the little sparklies on them? Very cute, right? Okay, and the last is this, which is like a little cooler. And I just thought this was gonna be so super cute to take to the beach. Like, I've never lived by the ocean before, and we like stopped by the ocean twice before it became winter and too cold. But I plan on that we're gonna go a lot when the weather warms up, and I thought this just seemed like a cute little cooler to take with us. Or if we just, I homeschool my kids, so if we want to go like on a little picnic or go to the park or just go on a day trip, I thought this was a nice cooler that we could take, and has like a long strap that you can put on your shoulder. So I thought that was super cute, and I really like that. Okay, so that was my box. I'm really excited about it. I know it might sound silly. I actually think I'm the most excited about this lip oil, just because it smells so good and my lips feel really good, and it's just so pretty. I mean, like, seriously, so pretty and so cute. This would really make a great gift for somebody. Like, if somebody gave me this, I would be so excited about it. I think the earrings are pretty and my kids will love them. I just think this was a great box. So again, I'm happy with my FabFitFun. I'm excited for the spring box. I'm really excited for the summer box. I don't know why. I think the summer box, when that comes, it'll be even more exciting. So if you could please give me a thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel. I am so small, and the more people who help me and watch and put like lots of nice comments and give me thumbs up and subscribe, it helps me so much, and I really appreciate it. Hit the little bell button so you get notifications of every time I post a video, and I will see you next time. I will be posting more videos more regularly, I promise, now that I am like here and somewhat settled in. So thanks for watching. Bye.